Zen team to work in the Cupra Born was a dream come true, because for the first time we can combine a full electric car with a high emotional design. You can feel in the proportion that we have the wheels very separate from each other, so we want to have a car that is really human-centric. We align the front headlamps to the eyes of the human, so this is why we incline all the lines to you to have this character special that you know what you want, no? You go for it. For the first time we will show a bit of the rear coast-to-coast line, so this means it's going very horizontal to create a width effect of the vehicle, and we have a very strong diffuser on the lower area with a lot of aerodynamic content. We always base our design on the city of Barcelona, where we base. For this reason, you can see a lot of contrast on the surface, this special texture that provide actually this unique character of Cupra. We believe that electric cars can have some emotion, and we need to have that emotion. You see the car, you get in love, and you want just to drive. This is our mission.